I have him do all the cutting.
For 2 decades, Robin and Mark Malloy have opened their Elk Grove home to dozens of foster children.
Last time we checked, it was like 39.
They say they rely on a lot of help, including wraparound resources provided by a foster family agency, or FFA.
They are the liaison, so it's like we tell them what this kid is asking for, and they're on it.
If there's an issue with that we're having, they provide the necessary resources to assist.
FFAs are private, nonprofit organizations that recruit and support foster families. There are about 200 in the state. The California Department of Social Services reports as of April 30th, 10 FFAs have closed, which served 122 foster youth. So far, the agency says no child placements have been disrupted by the closures.
What happens to these children?
Well, I mean, that ultimately does become the responsibility of the county, and many of these counties are struggling.
Chris Stoner-Mertz of the California Alliance of Child Family Services says foster family agencies are struggling to afford new, more expensive insurance policies, resulting from high payouts in civil lawsuits.
So would you say the sexual abuse claims and settlements are like the wildfires to homeowners insurance?
It's almost like it's a cascading effect rather than an immediate, in-your-face crisis that people can see and feel, which makes it, in some ways, harder to get the attention we need on it.
We were denied by, I want to say, 30 insurance companies.
At Canonia Family Services in Loomis, it serves 600 foster families throughout the state.
Everyone was feeling, this is a huge risk. This market is a huge risk now.
For decades, Canonia used the Nonprofit Insurance Alliance of California. Right now, NIAC is not renewing policies.
The thing about this crisis, though, is that it's wholly preventable. And that's frustrating.
NIAC founder Pamela Davis says it's a result of rulings like this. Foster parent Mark Martinez was convicted of sexual abuse in Sonoma County, resulting in a nearly $16 million civil jury award for 3 young siblings.
And that foster family agency shouldn't be held accountable for that random criminal act that no one could have foreseen.
She's fighting for legislation that doesn't remove liability, but does protect FFAs if they do their due diligence, like she says the one did in this case.
There should be perhaps other recovery like a victims of crime fund, but not the foster family agency that has not done any wrong.
Sickler at Canonia didn't give up and has piecemealed her insurance needs with different carriers, keeping her 600 FFAs operating.
We ultimately did get approved for new insurance, but our premium went from somewhere in the $300,000 range to almost $1 million a year. And, you know, that's a huge gap to fill, for sure.
The California Alliance of Child Family Services turned to the legislature for help. It received $31.5 million to keep FFAs operating. But advocates say that's just a temporary fix. They want a permanent solution.
And that's why I wanted us, that was one of the... Ensuring that foster children continue to get what they need and that they are not put at risk or they do not have their day in court, but that we also can protect the organizations that are working to serve them.
Foster parents like the Malloys say they hope a solution comes quickly so they can continue to help the children who need it most.
I feel like at some point, the kids will fall through the cracks, you know, because they need a village.
In Sacramento, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.
And we did reach out to the California Department of Insurance on this, and a spokesperson says the commissioner contacted property and casualty insurance companies to strongly encourage them to expand coverage to FFAs, and says that discussion goes on as it is now also becoming a nationwide issue.